Hi, this is Jason from Horrific Nightmares. Welcome back to Monthly Themed Thursdays. Now, in keeping with our theme, inanimate object horror, this week I picked Attack of the Killer Refrigerator. Now, Attack of the Killer Refrigerator is a 1990 shot on video film, and it runs approximately 16 minutes. Now, this is written and directed by Michael Savino, and it stars Lori Rigani, Christina Murphy, and Lori Carson. Well, obviously, because it's 16 minutes long, I can't say a whole lot about it, but this is about some friends at a party, and their refrigerator is iced over. So they take a hammer and defrost the refrigerator. And wouldn't you know it, the refrigerator gets mad and takes revenge, picking out people in the apartment one by one. Yes, it sounds silly, but I actually had a blast with this film. Now, I've heard about this one for years, and I'm glad that Terror Vision finally um, released this one. Yeah, this also comes with the original double feature, which is The Hook of Woodland Heights. And something I found on this is that I'm not sure if they're trying to make or if they were going to make a Attack of the Refrigerator 2. But I would love to see it because there is a short preview of that on this Blu-ray. And you can go to their website and look and see. It's called, I think they're called Media, um, the production company. I would love to see a part two for this because it just looks crazy. Um, this is going to be a short one, obviously, because it's only 16 minutes long. But check this one out. I've had so much fun with our inanimate object horror. I actually want to do this again sometime, and I think Joe does as well. So check out what Joe picked. And remember, guys, physical media matters. And until next time, peace.